Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add money to your PrizePicks account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you simply gotta go ahead and access your PrizePicks, and I'm gonna let you in what ways you can actually deposit. So for the first thing, you simply have to go ahead, click the Visa or Discover tab on the PrizePicks deposit page. Go to deposit section and then go ahead, choose either Visa or Discover card info for you to deposit a fund on your PrizePicks. And or if you want bank transfer, go ahead, go to your deposit section and add in the amount, and then tap on click instant bank transfer. It will take to your new secure window. Select your bank from over there to add in your information and type in online banking username and the password as usual it will ask. Then afterwards, select the bank account you would like to connect to PrizePicks. Afterwards, simply verify the information correct and click confirm deposit. That's how you will be able to add as well. Now, existing PayPal balance, you have to go to PrizePicks deposit page and click on the PayPal tab. And if you have already existing amount from over them, you can select amount using a PayPal account balance and transfer it. Now you can also do it bank account through PayPal, but it will require access on desktop. If you want from phone, then make sure to choose those options. Now you can also do from bank account as well. Simply open a PayPal mobile app of yours and then go to wallet section, go to banks and log into your online banking. Afterwards, navigate to PrizePicks deposit page and complete your deposit by adding the amount. That's how you can simply deposit and add funds. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.